Right, day two. Before I saw a bird. Oh, there's one right now. Pecking away. What's that? Ooh, let's go have a check on that in a sec. I don't know if you caught that. There was a bird before. I don't know, but I don't know what I was eating, but I was eating something. There was also a bird drinking. I'll just go grab my camera. I got my camera, let's turn it on. Now it has been on charge for a while. It's got most battery. Yesterday did actually record for everything except 3 minutes. So I'm gonna go get this out. Unlock the door quickly. And we can go see what the birds are eating. Now I can't put my laptop down, so I just have to show you. Wow, it's mostly gone. I have to go get this. Next bit you'll see from this. I'll top them up. That's all for day two. Right, so it is day three at the moment. I couldn't find the SD card adapter for the last time. I have looked through day two. We got 0 birds, but I have also looked through day three. Day three is better, so you have to look at the video. It'll be in the description after this. Sorry, all the footage from day two got mixed up and I had to delete some of it. So you've only seen some of it, and the camera footage when I took a camera outside, I don't know where that's gone, but yeah.